that I have for you. Thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. I honestly so appreciate it, as my main objective is to empower, to inspire, to share knowledge with all of you. Also, check me out on Instagram down here. I'll leave the link down below for my profile, where I literally post daily pictures and videos on fashion, makeup, wigs, and all the upcoming videos that I'll be making. With that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here, as well as little bell, so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. Let's get inspired by another DivaTrust.com wig. This wig is from Main Concept. It is part of the red carpet collection of the V-Cut Perfection line. Yes! And also, this is in the most beautiful color of this SR1B Marigold. So she's right here on the cover. This icy blonde also looked amazing. It comes in a lot of really cool colors, so do check that out. So let's just get talking about this wig, and she is a long one, especially with this V. First of all, let's just take a look at this color. Look how beautiful that is. Wow. And these curls, I cannot wait to brush out to see what she looks like. But for the main part of the show, let's talk about this V-cut right here. So she is, I'd probably say she's 26, maybe 28 inches. So with that, she has these really great face framing layers and all the way down. So she was gonna look really natural, and she is not like an aggressively huge wig, which is really nice. So she's gonna be very light on your head, especially with this length, which is amazing. So for the cap construction, she does have medium tone lace right here, and then she has a 5-inch parting. It actually looks deeper than a 5-inch parting, but that's 5 inches right there. She has two combs, little combs right here in the front, and then she has one comb right here back in the middle with the fasteners. She has a medium cap, so if you require a large head friendly wig, she would work for you as well. And then also what's great is that she does come with pre-cut baby hairs along the hairline. So that's pretty great that it's basically ready to go. I feel like the parting is really greatly plucked, so I feel like it looks really great as is. She is also heat safe. Doesn't say the temperature, but I would gather around 300 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Of course, go low. Let's just put on this gorgeous girl and see what she's gonna look like. I have a fresh wig cap. I'll leave the link down below for this. I got it from Amazon. I got a 10-pack for $5.99. I really like these wig caps, and there's nothing like a fresh wig cap to start your day. And I put my wigs on front to back. Wow, look at this. So pretty. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, let me come out so you can take a look at the hairline. So definitely not bad. Definitely plucking it would be key. Of course, I feel like since I do have light hair, that with a dark root like this, I would require to say a little bit more plucking just to lighten up the hairline a little bit more. And let's cut off the lace really quickly. Here she is. I'm gonna stand up a little bit so you can see how long she is. So yes, she is definitely past belly button, so I'd say in that 26, 28 inches right there. Yes. All right. So let's just take my wig brush right here and just brush her out just a little bit. And all right, there she is, lightly brushed. You can see how soft and luscious she is. So pretty. Let's shift the parting, as you know I absolutely love to do. So let's switch her to the left eyebrow, which is my favorite way to part her. So she is basically a fixed parting, so you would definitely have to shift the cap in order to change it. This is really cute. What do you guys think about it on this side? I do absolutely love a wig that has these soft curls, because I always feel like it just kind of frames the face beautifully. All right, so let's switch it to the other side to see if she gives a different look. Ooh, a little bit. I'm feeling it. She does have a different curl pattern, I feel, maybe on this side, which actually I kind of like. It kind of has like that retro feeling right here. So this is really cute, definitely doable on this side as well. Just loving this color tone, the ombre, the length and the curls. It's just a gorgeous little dream. I love it. Let's just put her right back down the middle. So let me know if you have this wig, or if you have another color, or if you have another of the V Perfection. I would love to know and see you in these wigs. So do reach out to me on Instagram. That is a great way for you to send me pictures of you and your wigs and being as amazing as you can possibly be. And this wig, of course, is from divatress.com. There is, of course, the promotional link down below for you to save some money on your wig look, so definitely check that out. And remember, it is your right every single day of your life to be as fabulous as you want to be. So if you feel fabulous in this deliciously marigold V Perfection wig, wear it. Wear it